right, so in this morning, something to smile about. We will try to blow out as many candles as possible by saying Happy New Year. We have a few members of our crew joining us, so let's play. So we just come and say Happy New Year to see if it goes. What we do?
I don't see any members of the crew, first of all. That's a lie. That's a trick.
What we say?
Happy New Year.
What?
Like this? Happy.
No. No. You have to blow from the top.
That just did. Isn't this the top?
No. You have to stay from where you are.
From here, so Shana?
Yes. In the middle of the thing.
Blowing down the line.
Oh, and we go Happy New Year all the way down there, sir.
Go on.
So I say, happy. Tree God.
One go.
But she, look, me is allowed happy.
This is a wicked game, though.
So, one at a time?
No, he said, Happy New Year.
Then that means just the tree and you say one at a time?
I say Happy New Year.
Or I must say it one time. Happy New Year.
How much I take it?
4.
All right.
Jeez, Shana, this is not possible. Shana, get this wrong.
Well, me go on 4.
Well, you got to say it like a Jamaican, is what you need to do. Ready?
Okay.
Happy New Year.
No, go, sir.
See there? 6,
No,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Where's
I just
Stephanie?
did it in
Stephanie,
one
come here,
go.
Stephanie.
That's not fair.
Stephanie, well, I go 1 time and I do 4. Stephanie, you know what you're doing? Because I hear you're the blow champion of your community. Are you ready? You're supposed to say Happy New Year 1 time and blow it as many as you can.
What's
All right.
Stephanie look for me for? Come, Mr.
After 3, you go. 1. This is Stephanie, by the way. She looks after us every day. 1, 2, 3.
Happy New Year!
Only 3. Me win. Me winning up.
Can't win and me get 3 more than you.
No, because you never do it 1 time. Come again. Come again. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Happy New Year! 5. So me get 1 more. Come, do it from that side. Go on, you go from that side.
1, 2, 3. Happy New Year!
4.
This is a wicked.
Wait no. I know you.
You know me gone right in my middle now.
Me know you.
Roundabouts. You know, that makes sense, because you're not going to get that far.
Wait no man, I did 5. I am the leader right now.
No, you're not.
Where's Stephanie gone?
Give up. They
No,
don't understand the
I
difficulty.
get 5, you do 4, and Stephanie do 3.
Happy New Year! 1, 2, 3, 4.
Same way.
This is a trick candle. It's out and come back. That's not fair.
Why it have to be Happy New Year? Give me something else that I can say.
So Harry went to Hampstead. Harry lost his
We
hat.
just
Harry's
feel
mother
that
said
that
to
lady
Harry,
can blow better than ever. Come here, come here, come here.
Come in, Ren. Come in,
The
Ren.
number 1 blower in history. Come here. Come here now.
Like a storm.
Thank
Come,
you.
Ren.
When she done,
Gonna be a storm around here.
I'll can in our next studio and go out. You know what you're supposed to do, right?
Let's talk like how you normally talk.
Go close.
Yeah.
You have to out them. You have
With
to say
that
Happy New
force.
Year 1 time.
Don't make
and say how much
it. Please
you can
hold our
hold.
ear
Yeah, me
because we
hold
cannot
you know,
hold
it-
fire in the studio.
it
Ready?
gets
On the
fire.
mark?
So I should say Happy New Year.
Yeah, but you have to say it forcefully, Ren. Like how when you're quarried in a makeup room,
Yeah.
like that.
You have
And
to
then
go
we
close.
say,
Come now. After 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, yeah, do you can blow?
you think a birthday? Hello, it's not a birthday party. Come on, tell people in the studio. Where is Forklift? Softman, come here. Come here, Softers.
Well, me are the leader.
Softers. Softers, why are you always running? Come here, man. Come here, my Bridget. Come here, man.
Drive us. Come now, try it now. See it, me I do this one like cricket. Me I run up to that one.
Softman properly left me. Ready?
And me just
Hold
go.
it there, Frill. On the mark. Catch your set. Run up and go.
Happy New Year. Them are some trick. Other one you out and them 3 you
Reach
don't
me
out.
a while ago.
No, you have to press that down first.
I don't know how to use
no,
it.
press it down first and then squeeze that. Yeah.
Oh, you know to like these things.
This.
Shauna, this is an impossible task. Did you see somebody actually do this?
Tanita.
Happy New Year!
And all the best for 25.
I
A very
mean,
simple thing. That's not bad.
done. Not so bad. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Well,
Lighter.
step on the ball out and get one
Lighter,
candle. We're going to go for a
lighter.
break. That's it for something to smile about.
Lighter.